Face shields help protect people, especially healthcare workers, and are a critical form of secondary personal protective equipment or PPE that is currently in high demand. In this video, we will show you how to make face shield mask using GRAPHTEC FCX4000. But before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The single piece of face shield design will be made using a process known as die cutting. Machines will cut the design from thousands of flat sheets per hour. Ensure the material that you will use is optically clear and does not crack when folded over onto itself. Here is the cutting file for the face mask. This will be the shield on the front, and this is the head strap to make it curl. We will be cutting this using GRAPHTEC FCX4000. The GRAPHTEC FCX4000 series is the ultimate solution for prototyping and small production runs of rigid materials without the use of a cutting die. It has easy settings and holds the media by electrostatic. GRAPHTEC FCX4000 has a speed up to 750 mm per second and causes no damage to your printed graphics. You can also create personalized face shield by printing it with white on clear or transparent media, and it's possible with OKI PRO 9542. With OKI PRO 9542, it delivers high-quality CMYK plus high-density white as underbase in a single pass printing. Printing in white on dark media and clear media is possible with OKI PRO 9542. Fast, on-demand in-house graphics printing. After printing and cutting, we can now build the face shield by using a piece of elastic band to connect both ends of the face shield holder to create tension and allow it to be fastened on the head. The face shield is now complete and ready to use. This process is quick and efficient. Make sure to share this with all the relevant personnel to help provide the basic necessity for those fighting in frontline to combat the virus. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit www.labelgraph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.